Want to unlock the secrets to Olive Garden's crave-worthy dishes and bring that Italian-American magic to your own kitchen? Let's dive in. First, it's all about the base. Olive Garden relies heavily on high-quality, pre-made sauces and concentrated stocks to achieve consistent flavor across all locations. While we can't get their exact recipes, we can mimic the deliciousness. To build a flavorful base for your own sauces, start by copyrighting finely diced garlic and onions in olive oil over medium heat until softened and fragrant. This is the foundation for many Italian-American dishes. Next, add a can of high-quality crushed tomatoes. For a richer flavor, consider using San Marzano tomatoes. Simmer for at least 30 minutes, stirring occasionally to allow the flavors to meld together. For their creamy sauces like Alfredo, heavy cream is key. Don't skimp. Add freshly grated Parmesan cheese for that signature salty, nutty flavor. Remember to season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. Olive Garden uses a variety of pasta shapes, but cooking it al dente is crucial. That means slightly firm to the bite. Toss the cooked pasta with your homemade sauce and serve immediately. Finally, don't forget the finishing touches. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or basil adds a burst of freshness and elevates the presentation. And there you have it, Olive Garden-inspired dishes that you can create right at home. Enjoy!